Hey y'all, this is Melvin and Andre here. We're at Mrs. Evelyn Moore's property. On her roof, as you see, we got the wind crease shingle right here. We're attempting to do the repair on it. So we're gonna pull this shingle off and we're gonna see how well the repair attempt goes. All right, as we see, no damage around the shingle so far. I'm using the trusted roof snake. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this shingle up. Just want y'all to see something real quick. Just want you to see that while attempting this repair, if I can get this nail out right here, as you see, it's already ripped the shingle right here. Let me get the nail out. It's a rip right here. We'll take photos to show you that, because I know it's kind of hard to see right now. Once again, rip the shingle right here. Nothing malicious, but we do see that there's a rip right here in the shingle. I'll take photos and send in. All right, got the old shingle. About to go get the new shingle. All right, we're halfway through, and as you can see, we got some creasing right here, got some creasing right here, creasing right there, and we're just halfway through. Just wanted to point that out. And then we also had the shingle rip as well, which we'll send photos of that. Back starting to hurt. Switch position. Pause. All right, once again, you see we use the roof snake, replace the shingle, and then we have creasing right here. Let me get out of the way. And there you have it. Shingle repair, and it failed. Thank you.